Welcome back to more Angry Birds. This time it's part 6. And last time we already do the Mighty Horse, and this time it's Danger Booth. So let's begin. Alright, let's get started. Whoa. Already should be great. So let's go. Alright, let's go. The more power-ups. Ooh, okay. Time for the next one. Yes. And it's time for the next. It fell up here. And go there. Yes! Gotcha! Alright, get it now, buddy. I guess I'm going to save him. Right, let's go. Where's no works? Alright then. Oh yeah, gotcha. And it's time for next. Right there. Yoo! Okay. Now wait for it. Alright, now we finally save him. Okay. He's free now. Now time for Greenbird. Yes! Yeah! Let's go! Bring on here. Ooh, okay. Let's get it. Right, get him now, buddy. So, let's see what happens. So, of course. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like, share, subscribe, and turn on to notifications. And comment below and see you next video. And see. Ooh, okay. See next. Ooh, don't worry about this one. Now die, yes. Gotcha. Okay. Next up. And it should be this one. Should be work. No work. Alright, this is our chance. Yes! Alright, time to use my eagle. Ooh! Alright. Oh, no, halfway here. That's really curious. Ooh. Okay, so without 13 and 0. Alright, let's use some more. There you go, more. So, let's get ready. It's right there, yes. Okay, start next. Alright, now let's get ready. Whoa, it's going round and round and round. Okay. Ooh. It is. So let's get this way. Let's get that pig off. Ready, go. So close. Let's try. Ooh, let's keep going. And one more. Yes! Gotcha! Alright guys, stay tuned for part 7. Thanks for watching and signing out.